Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Magid's Darabuka. Today we will learn part 2 of the basic Darabuka sounds. Let's learn the rest of the basic sounds. The first sound we will talk about today is the ka sound. This sound is played with the hand on top of the Darabuka. It's played using the fourth finger of that hand. But you might find it difficult to use just this fourth finger. So in the beginning, you can play it with your entry hand like this. Ka, 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 ka. Now let's move to the second sound, and this sound called sak, sak. It's played with the right hand, but there is a difference between the dom sound and the sak sound. At the sak sound, you need to curve your hand into a curved shape. Then strike the Darabuka in this position like this. Sak, 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 sak. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel for more lessons. Bye.